the metaverse and mixed reality, the digital world of the future. In the previous episode, we explored the incredible potential of quantum computing and how it could transform everything from cryptography to healthcare and artificial intelligence. Quantum computers offer a new way of processing information that could solve problems far beyond the capabilities of classical computers. In this episode, we're diving into another groundbreaking technological development, the metaverse and mixed reality. Imagine a world where the physical and digital realities blend seamlessly, where you can interact with people, places, and objects in a fully immersive digital environment. The metaverse is more than just a virtual world. It's a new digital frontier where social interactions, work, entertainment, and even economies will exist. We'll explore how AI plays a key role in building these digital environments, the technologies behind mixed reality, and what the future holds for the metaverse. What is the metaverse? The term metaverse has been gaining a lot of attention recently, but what exactly is it? In simple terms, the metaverse is a collective virtual space where people can interact with each other and digital objects in real time. Think of it as the next evolution of the internet, an immersive 3D version where, instead of browsing websites, you can walk around, socialize, work, and even shop inside virtual worlds. The concept of a shared virtual space. The idea of a shared virtual space isn't entirely new. For years, video games like Second Life and World of Warcraft have created virtual worlds where players can interact with each other. But the metaverse goes beyond gaming. It's about creating a fully immersive, persistent digital environment that exists even when you're not logged in. In the metaverse, you'll have a digital avatar, which represents you, and you'll be able to interact with other people and the virtual world just as you would in real life. Socializing in the metaverse. Imagine meeting your friends in a virtual park, attending a concert, or even having a work meeting all inside the metaverse. Instead of using Zoom or a text-based chat, you'd be able to interact with others in a fully immersive environment, seeing their avatars and communicating with them as if you were physically present. AI's role in building the metaverse. Artificial intelligence is a key component in making the metaverse possible. AI is used to create realistic digital environments, animate avatars, and enable natural interactions between users. AI can also generate vast dynamic worlds that evolve over time, making the metaverse a living, breathing digital space. What is mixed reality? While the metaverse is a fully digital environment, mixed reality blends the physical world with digital elements. Mixed reality includes both augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. In AR, digital objects are overlaid onto the real world, while in VR, you're fully immersed in a virtual environment. Augmented reality, AR. Augmented reality adds digital information to the real world. For example, you might use your smartphone to see directions overlaid on the street in front of you, or you might play a game where virtual characters appear in your living room. AR enhances your physical environment by adding a layer of digital information, making it interactive and dynamic. Pokemon Go. Great example of AR in action is the game Pokemon Go. Players use their smartphones to catch virtual Pokemon that appear in the real world. As you move around your physical environment, the game uses your phone's GPS and camera to place digital creatures in your surroundings, blending the virtual and real worlds. Virtual reality, VR. Virtual reality, on the other hand, immerses you entirely in a digital world. Using a VR headset, you can enter a 3D environment where you can look around, move, and interact with objects. VR is often used for gaming, but it's also being used in industries like education, healthcare, and training. VR in education. Imagine attending a history class where instead of reading about ancient civilizations, you're able to visit them in a virtual environment. With VR, students can explore historical landmarks, walk through ancient cities, and experience history in a way that's far more engaging and immersive than a textbook. How AI powers the metaverse and mixed reality. Artificial intelligence is crucial to the development of both the metaverse and mixed reality. AI is used to generate realistic 3D environments, create lifelike avatars, and even simulate real-world physics and interactions. Let's take a closer look at how AI makes these digital worlds possible. AI-generated world. One of the biggest challenges in building the metaverse is creating large dynamic environments that feel real and evolve over time. AI can help by generating these environments automatically, using algorithms to design landscapes, cities, and even entire ecosystems. Instead of having to manually design every detail, developers can use AI to create vast, detailed worlds that are constantly changing and adapting to user behavior. AI in game development. In the world of video games, AI is already being used to generate complex environments. Games like No Man's Sky use AI to create entire planets, each with its own unique terrain, weather patterns, and ecosystems. As the player explores these worlds, AI generates new environments on the fly, ensuring that no two planets are ever the same. The same technology can be applied to the metaverse, allowing for the creation of endless virtual worlds, creating lifelike avatars. In the metaverse, you'll interact with other people through their avatars' digital representations of themselves. AI can be used to make these avatars more realistic, allowing them to move, speak, and even express emotions in a natural way. AI can analyze a user's facial expressions and body language, translating them into the avatar's movements, making interactions in the metaverse feel more lifelike. Personalized avatars. Imagine creating an avatar that looks just like you, with AI analyzing your facial features and movements to replicate them in the digital world. When you smile, your avatar smiles. When you raise your hand, your avatar raises its hand. This creates a more immersive experience, allowing you to interact with others in the metaverse as if you were really there. Real-world applications of the metaverse. While the metaverse is still in its early stages, we're already seeing exciting applications in fields like social interaction, entertainment, work, and education. Let's explore some of the ways the metaverse could transform these areas. The future of social interaction. In the metaverse, social interactions will take on a whole new dimension. Instead of texting or video chatting, you'll be able to meet friends and family in a fully immersive virtual environment. You could attend virtual concerts, go shopping with friends, or even travel to virtual destinations together. Virtual concerts. Imagine attending a concert by your favorite band, not in a physical stadium, but in a virtual one. You and your friends can stand together, listen to the music, and even interact with the band, all from the comfort of your own home. This is already happening. In 2020, rapper Travis Scott held a virtual concert inside the game Fortnite, attracting millions of viewers. Work and collaboration in the metaverse. The metaverse could also revolutionize the way we work. Imagine virtual offices where you can collaborate with colleagues from around the world, as if you were all in the same room. Instead of video calls, you'd meet in a virtual conference room, interact with 3D models of products, and brainstorm ideas on virtual whiteboards. Virtual workspaces. Companies like Facebook, now Meta, are already developing virtual workspaces where employees can collaborate in VR. These virtual offices allow for more immersive and interactive meetings, where employees can share documents, brainstorm ideas, and even design products in a 3D space. Education in the metaverse. The metaverse has the potential to transform education by making learning more interactive and immersive. Instead of reading textbooks, students could explore virtual environments, conduct experiments in digital labs, and interact with historical figures in virtual reality. Virtual field trips. Imagine taking a virtual field trip to the Great Wall of China or the pyramids of Egypt. In the metaverse, students could explore these wonders of the world in real time, learning about their history and architecture in a way that's far more engaging than a traditional lesson. The challenges of building the metaverse. While the metaverse holds incredible potential, there are also significant challenges that need to be addressed. From technical limitations to ethical concerns, building a fully immersive digital world is no small feat. Technical challenges. One of the biggest challenges in building the metaverse is creating the infrastructure needed to support it. The metaverse will require massive amounts of computing power, high-speed internet, and advanced hardware like VR headsets and AR glasses. Currently, the technology is still in its infancy, and there's a long way to go before we can build a fully immersive, persistent digital world. VR and AR hardware limitations. While VR headsets like the Oculus Rift and AR glasses like Microsoft's HoloLens have made significant strides, they're still bulky, expensive, and have limited battery life. For the metaverse to become mainstream, we'll need more affordable, lightweight, and user-friendly devices. Privacy and security concerns. As with any digital platform, privacy and security are major concerns in the metaverse. In a world where users can interact with each other and digital objects in real time, there are risks of hacking, identity theft, and data breaches. It's crucial that developers implement strong security measures to protect users' personal information and ensure that the metaverse is a safe space for everyone. Ethical challenges. The metaverse also raises ethical questions about how we interact with digital environments and each other. For example, what happens when someone's digital avatar is harmed or harassed? How do we regulate behavior in a virtual world? These are important issues that will need to be addressed as the metaverse continues to evolve. The future of the metaverse. Looking ahead, the future of the metaverse is incredibly exciting. As technology continues to improve, we'll see more immersive and interactive virtual worlds, where people can socialize, work, learn, and play in ways we've never imagined. The rise of virtual economy. One of the most interesting aspects of the metaverse is the rise of virtual economies. In the metaverse, users can buy and sell digital goods, such as clothing for their avatars, virtual real estate, and even digital art. This has already started with the rise of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which allow users to own and trade unique digital assets. Virtual real estate. In 2021, a plot of virtual land in the metaverse platform Decentraland sold for nearly $1 million. Just like in the physical world, people are buying and selling virtual real estate, building digital homes, offices, and entertainment spaces. As the metaverse grows, these virtual economies could become even more valuable. A new digital frontier. The metaverse is not just a technological development, it's a new digital frontier that will change the way we interact with the world and each other. From social interactions to work, education, and entertainment, the metaverse will create new opportunities and experiences that we can only begin to imagine. Conclusion. In this episode, we've explored the fascinating world of the metaverse and mixed reality. We've seen how AI is powering these immersive digital environments, how virtual and augmented reality are blending the physical and digital worlds, and how the metaverse could transform everything from social interactions to work and education. While there are still challenges to overcome, the future of the metaverse is incredibly promising, and it's set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Next time, we'll explore how AI is transforming the job market and what the future of work will look like in a world increasingly dominated by automation and intelligent machines. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of technology in the next era. What comes after AI?